ZANU-PF bid to extend President Emmerson Mnangagwa's presidency beyond 2028 is reportedly gaining traction, with several party structures rallying nationwide support for the plan. Salapenda mashoko vanhu avakutongoti aiwa zvatongova pachena izvi hazvichatombodi kana kudhibheta kana kuvanza kuda kuti from all the corners of the country yenyika yeZimbabwe vakutongoziva kuti mutungamiri wenyika yeZimbabwe Emmerson Mnangagwa aiwa atongoindosiwa kuti aextende his rule to 2030. Salapenda mashoko anodanyorwa panapa kuti bosubscribe like turn on the bell icon. Tipinda panapa mbindula kudanyorwa chiti Mnangagwa's current term is constitutionally set to end in 2028, marking the completion of his second and final term as president. Despite this, there are growing calls within the party to extend his tenure. The president has repeatedly said that he has no intention of staying in office beyond the end of his second term in 2028. Despite Mnangagwa's position, various ZANU-PF affiliates and structures, which played key roles in his previous campaigns, have openly endorsed the idea of extending his presidency until 2030. Last weekend, ZANU-PF chairpersons from all 10 provinces gathered at the president's brick farm in Kwekwe, where they reaffirmed their commitment to pushing for the extension of Mnangagwa's term to 2030. In an interview with the independent ZANU-PF spokesperson Chris Mutsvangwa said that the party plans to promote Mnangagwa's achievements since taking office in 2017 as part of the campaign to extend his presidency. Tomashoko anotogwa na Mutsvangwa atiri kuona kuti vakomana they are rewarding mutungamiri wenyika yeZimbabwe yoita se a reward, but tiri kuona kuti citizens they are suffering just because according to the current situation in Zimbabwe panguva ino, people they are not happy, they are not glad about mabatiro avari kuitwa, just because people who are only benefiting, there are those people who are aligned kune the regime, named the leader. Zvatiri kuona the rest aiwa zvamoziva kuti vanhu vazhinji vari kusaidi iriri risingava support the ruling party ZANU-PF. All those people that are suffering. Tudze mafundo enyu muri kudiwa pamusoro pechitiko ichi, pinda comment section medu, subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.